ซ่บเลยนี่ข้าวปุ้นกะหรี่ไก่สีมันงามเนาะขอมักใส่มะนาวหน่อยหนึ่งว่างๆก็ลองเฮ็ดกินมึงเด้อสิเขียน recipe ให้ละสิlist all the ingredient in there okay โอ้แซ่บหลายแซ่บหลาย okay alright what I do I prepare all the ingredient here and I cut the whole chicken into a small piece and then potato all this stuff I cut into all the piece I explain to you later okay so I put the pot here then I'm gonna put the coconut milk sorry little hot should not be that hot but that's good right there then I'm gonna use a vegetable oil with the coconut milk do it slow cook now I'm gonna go ahead use the red curry paste down together Okay, what I do, I mix them real good together and then I'm gonna let it slow cook.
Now.
Okay, see that just look perfect right there. You see all the oil turn red and the coconut milk is become creamy like that. And then what I like to do, I like to save half of it for later, okay? This is like the end. Just kind of save about half. And then what I do, I go ahead use put my chicken down. Put my chicken in the pot. Put my chicken in and then
Tell them said you move the high heat.
put my chicken in and put the high heat. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start put seasoning, salt, curry powder. Now I'm gonna use my coconut can, the empty can, and I'm gonna put the water in. Okay, look like my chicken pot. Then I'm gonna add 2 more cans of water. Okay, I add 2 more cans of water and let it boil real good, and then we're gonna put carrot and potato, onion in, okay? Mắc bị cay.หน้าตามันออกมาเป็นอย่างซี่มาร์กไม่กินน้ำกันแซ่บเลยนี่กับปุ้นกับเลยไก่สีมันงามเนาะขอมักสมักน้ำหน่อยหนึ่งว่างๆก็ลองเฮ็ดกินมึงเด้อสิเขียน recipe ให้ละสิlist all the ingredient in there okay โอ้แซ่บหลายแซ่บหลาย